Force you. That my mind. Shade type on you.
Di ba flying on you yon? Flying? My mind is flying on you?
It's so complicated. Push me away. Freezing point. Hey! First time. Future.
Ama nga naman.
It's a good thing to hold. But thank God. We met each other. Shade type again. I'm so shade type.
Kaya tayo na.
Shade type with you.
What's the meaning of the song?
One more!
One more! One more! One more! One more!
Tagalog.
Okay, okay.
Wala problema yun.
You sing, I'll translate that.
Sino ata?
You will sing, or you translate also.
Kita
Nice sewing.
magazine.
I want magazine.
Ilaw ang iyong suot.
You're wearing yellow dress.
Wala namang yellow boy ah.
Here is green.
Sa tindahan.
No war satisfied.
May baklalo.
Sa gay marathon. Ay, bakla. One. Race a race. Gay marathon. Yeah, that's
Sa patingin na tulala sa iyong pagundahan.
Mga baba.
it. Shock and scared. You're beautiful.
Naaalala mo ba?
Do you still remember
Tayo pang dalawa.
when we're together?
Di ko inakala.
I never thought that.
Ikaw.
You'll be famous.
Tinawan.
Parang hindi niya mas ka, sabi niya.
Tinawag mo kung walang iyan.
What's that?
Medyo pangit ka pa noon.
Pretty ugly before.
Ang
You now.
Ito na ang iyong ngiti.
Smile so different.
Ito na ang iyong
Your staring also different.
bago ng lahat sa'yo.
I don't care.
sana'y hindi nakita.
I wish they didn't see.
Try, walang problema.
Sana'y walang problema.
So that there'll be no problem.
Kulang lang.
Dala kong pera.
My budget's not enough.
Pambili.
Can I buy? Yeah, yeah. Can I buy for your pretty face?
Siguro ay
Pe-trending to, boy.
Maybe I love cars now.
lumarampas sa entablado.
Modeling on the stage.
Damit na gawa ng soto.
Soto made you.
Tayo na mga manunod.
Sumali.
That's good for you. That's good news. That's great.
Ito na ang iyong ngiti.
You smile so different. Your stare is so different.
Bago ng lahat sa'yo.
Again, I don't care.
Sana hindi nakita.
I wish I didn't see you.
Problema?
Sila, there'll be no problem.
Wala akong pera.
Budget's not enough. Yeah.
Pambili sa mukha mo.
Buying the pretty face. Sa wala na.
Manuel, what would you say with your fans out there who will watch this
How many
video?
of you, ah?
No! Who will watch this video on
You will upload to
FB?
YouTube?
Yeah, actually on FB.
Hi, Chi. Thank you. Meow, ma. Hello. What else? What else?
Your family in Philippines.
My family did I only have two. My mom and dad, my 2 kids and my wife. I have one wife, my ex-girlfriend, never mind her. My neighbors, I don't like that. To all my kabayan ni UAE, please keep supporting my thank you for sponsorship of Burj Khalifa and Alwado Mall. Thank you to the new joiners.
New joiners, additional fans.